All right, Jordan. Okay, but anyways, go ahead, Carolyn, and talk to Duke.
Este, Carolyn McNackle with Dalen Cloud.
Paskova.
Headgear, si nagi sto with the
Mvskoke or
headgear.
Hareki. Alla aklopen. Naga atigi hobuken. Azaya yavat artafaya. Yavat ya Paskova ya Mvhayv takuda awege. Ya yomizia bumonetsi ha makke. Agazak man. Yan afternoon there.
Okay, y'all have any questions for Dalen Cloud, what he just said? Inbox Z, and please.
Boy bucks.
Chi bohes mo and agihlego.
Anybody else have a question? Ask him a question about his morning.
Het is nagin hombita.
Just target whomever. I need to list the flat.
Het doisa.
You did the rest, see.
Yeah, my Eagles.
Cassandra, she has a question for Gail.
Cassandra, do you have any questions for Galen?
A global hey toa
You did the rest, see. So that the underkai, look at.
He burned himself. You have any more questions for Galen, Cassandra?
Mongo
Ga.
Manu.
Let me see who else is in there. How about you ask him a question, Miss Carolyn, please?
Munzinda ha headgear zi not is to wakta.
That's that Duke question.
Munzinda do. What's the leg on now? It's to wakta.
What's the leg? Well, so she's born the way out, man. I did home burger to fire, man. Not home burger, how we are, I do it.
In Bohak si Galen nagin maktuga.
Ask Raylan to ask him a question.
Braylon.
Raylan.
Raylan. Raylan, ask Galen a question about his afternoon.
Chimistogi Estongon Aboga.
Don't go for locked on the. Adi as a Jackie, our hag. Ambolada when you import the dust, don't go that lecture, import to pay. He don't go that leg it and the hay on the as a market.
Now, ask Dean what he did yesterday in the language.
Galen Baksangi Nagistu with Sanga.
And to go that leg and fit the knock, till to Quavan. Nagi, Sidokajida, Mahudi get it died on Doman. Man, till let's say to then Andakai and Jogo, Anjogoman, Chihiam, Gazapos are all leg there.
Now go to other Jumba and ask him to ask Dude a question about yesterday.
Aha Zamba, Buit Cesa. Do in Boha Baksangi Knox Kundua.
Paksangi Pilo Tamka Tamgazen Tennessee Tothoyes.
Tennessee Manahita.
Nagin?
Tennessee Manahitanga.
Tennessee, Legged OS.
Oh, my lecture don't go.
Man Legged OS.
Oh,
Man Chapuji and Jugopi Leget, Ayanks main Fachan Tajak Hamgen Idiaboge Owanks.
Right there, he on the.
Let's see. Okay. No,
Oh, and
let's
Baksangi Yifol Hoggies.
Oh, don't go on the.
Moto Jumba, go to Cassandra.
No.
Ask Cassandra that. Cassandra asked Galen a question about yesterday.
Did you hear, Cassandra?
Mvhayv.
Cassandra.
Sorry, I'm back.
Okay.
About yesterday,
Yes.
Stana Yetsja,
Henrietta man I had the lower man. Angelo Dimby man. I will see them down man. Walmart guess I got man. I hear knock niche to her.
Any more questions, Cassandra?
Henrietta Stome Hopeitoa,
Who may you do my Angelo Lega?
Nga.
I have a question for Galen. Niskatsuga Walmart, Naga Nisetsanga.
Now you need up Dr. Pepper bar. Pop gets out when this there. When Jayaji.
Madu. Okay. Bernard asked a question to Galen about yesterday.
Ichganga hiti noji the wonks.
This Gunga, like, was it like he's trying to say, was the drink good? I think.
Oh, it's good. Yeah, he did the rest. He do the active hand man. Look to him.
Rokdoyang.
Mhm.
Okay. Raylan, a question about yesterday. Raylan, a question to Galen about yesterday.
Okay. Do you say Baksangi first or last?
You can say it first.
Baksangi feta estowe doa.
Yeah, I was outside of the.
Oh, to that how you do it? How you do it? We get to get this. To that whole thing I like it. To that Ojeki.
Hividos.
Let's see.
Madu.
But no, really.
Okay, we'll have Daniel.
Mvhayv?
Oh, go ahead.
You
I'm
hear?
sorry. So I should have said Baksangi at the beginning, asked it in that form.
Yeah, since he was since we was referred to yesterday, yeah, you could have.
Okay, can I try it again?
Yes, go ahead.
Baksangi Ichganga hidi noji the wonks. Did I say that correctly?
What is your second word you're saying after Baksangi?
Baksangi Ichganga. Ichganga.
Oh yeah. Are you
Ichganga
are you asking him if he drunk it?
noji the wonks. I was trying to ask him, did he sleep well
Oh,
yesterday?
yeah.
So I would say Baksangi Ichganga hidi noji the wonks.
Yeah, you could say Baksangi. You could say Hili Nojitsanga.
Noji. Oh, I see. I was asking Noji
No, just
Yeah,
Nojitsanga.
yeah.
Nojitsanga. That's why he didn't understand what I said. Nojitsanga. Baksangi Ichganga hidi Nojitsanga.
Tongo Nostra.
Mado.
Nga.
Okay, we'll have Daniel ask Galen one last question, then we'll let Galen go. I know he's kind of busy, but Daniel, can I have you ask a question about yesterday, please?
Baksangi, adot kida ay changa.
Yeah. Yafka Lolan, you watch your Moga, we cook and you watch out to fire.
I heard evening, something about the evening. Didn't get the rest. Nagamagitska.
The evening, they called me up here and I come up here during the evening time.
Oh,
My Makto guy.
Say it in Greek so he'll know.
Oh, yep. Baksangi Yafka, man, ya Okmogi, Dokaya, and we cooking you. You watch out to fire.
Did you hear?
oh, was he asking me a question?
No, he was telling you what he did yesterday evening.
Oh, okay. Hit him.
When he said you didn't quite get it, he was repeating what he said.
Oh, yeah. I was looking at my notes. Nagamagitska.
Go ahead and repeat it, dude.
Baksangi Yafka, ya Okmogi, ya Dokaya, and we cooking. You watch out to fire.
Yeah. Mad Eagles.
Do you want to say a little something to them before we finish up here? First, I'd like to say Mado to Galen Cloud for offering his time to come participate with us in this class. I want to see if he wants to say a few words to you guys before he takes off. So.
Yep. Mado, I go moving yan. You're not to Monayak. You're not the healing on the Yamoga to ya Naga book ya Ambuhat, what at the healing on the Moy Mvskoke in Bonaga that Moy when I healed Bohayata Moy Bonai Hoyes and Jimokaga. So my eagles in Maka. Mado.
Mado.
You can translate for him too. Go ahead.
Translation.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, I said it's good to be here with all of you. It's good to hear the language, the Mvskoke language, and all of y'all that was on here that was talking, that was asking me questions. Those are really good to hear. I could understand what you guys were asking me. So that's really good. And I don't know how far you guys had come, but you guys are making really good progress. So stay with it. Don't give up on it. Just keep learning, and you'll get used to it. So just keep learning the language. Mado, thank you for having me.
Mado, dude.
No.
Mado.
Mado and Ga.
Mado.
Mado.
So here's the list of people that
Well,
that can answer that you can call on. But yeah, Mado, Miss Carolyn Manak is going to take over now, but it's going to be the same format as everything else. But Mado. Go ahead, Carolyn. So calling up Jumbo to talk about this day or something like that.
Okay.
Have everybody ask a question on it.
Okay.
Mado, Carolyn.
Mado. See y'all later. Yeah. Hey, Ahazamba, how you doing?
Hili mahis, Mado, Jibohes.
Mado and Ga. Didn't know that about your day. Now you still with that, or how happy is he now? Get still with that.
Moen Paksamgi, Tennessee, Thothoy, Yifol Hogis, Momen Mujaneta, Chabofuji, Ohadot Keges. Ahajamba, Egan, Moen Tomata, Tomata Hombes, Moen Talaka Charo, Manaksulgi, Naksulgin, Naklanuji, I'm trying to remember the name for pick the vegetables. How do you say that?
For vegetables,
Yeah, like you're picking the vegetables.
knock luktuji.
Nakhochoji?
Knock, it's got a, after I say knock, it's got a L sound. Knock luktuji.
Naklokchuji, anga.
Yeah.
Naklokchuji afastida mijayanks.
Oh, marat. Ilito.
Mado.
Raylan Butler, you want to ask Ahajamba about his day and what he's talking about? You still there, Raylene?
She said be right back.
Oh, okay. Cassandra, how about you? You want to ask Ahajamba about his day, what he did?
Nagin Naklanuji Oheche chunks, would that be correct? What
Yeah.
vegetables did you plant?
Yeah, you could say Ahujit Jamba.
Ahoje changa
Yeah.
Naklanuji.
Anga ahajamba ahojit ahojis. Like we planted sweet potatoes. Can I say that?
Mhm.
Ahojis.
Yeah. There's sweet potato. That's your name right there. Ahajamba.
Enga Moen Paskova, Yahojevka Paskova, an emis, andat ahajamba kejit zulgen.
Yeah, he told me that a while ago. He said that's why he got that name. Yeah.
Mado Cassandra.
Inga
Bernard, you still there? You want to ask Ahajamba about his morning or his day?
Ihi. Ishganga Lanuji Home Bedonga.
Mongoros hayomat naklanoji hombego mowen nithi yanithi hombahanes.
Mado.
That make any sense?
It would need to be halalatkin.
Put it in English and then tell him what you said.
Yeah, I basically was saying I didn't eat any greens this morning, but we're going to have some this evening.
Oh.
So not Yahayatki Naklanoji Hombego Momen Yanithi Hombahanes.
Yaniti Hombahanes.
Mhm.
Yeah, Mado.
Okay. And let's see. Bernard, let's hear about your day or your morning.
Doi Aboka. Doi Abokitos. Doi Abokitos. Doi Yikchi Abokitos. Does that make sense? I am working. I'm working hard.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
He could say adult gas, and then he could say you've seen adult gas.
Yikchin adokes. What did I say? Adokes. Yikchin adokes.
Yeah,
So I don't need to, I can just jump right into it. I don't need to say doughy.
yeah. He could say
Yikchin adokes.
yeah. That means you're working hard, you're working strong, working hard. And you could say adult gas, that means you're working. Somebody have a question for Bernard?
Enga, Bernard, Nagin, Chemadot Kida, Nagidoa.
Nagin Chimadotkida Nagidoa. Chimadotkida Chinkitax. Wait, did I no. What is Chimadotkida?
That means like, when you say that Jim, it's like you're saying like it's yours. Jim Adukira, like your job. He's asking you what your job is. Yeah.
Chimadotkida. Chabofa Ashtoka Mvhayv.
You're a teacher of gardening?
Or farming. Ihi.
Ah, okay. Hili mahis, ya adot kira hili mahiros.
What up?
Tools. Okay. Is that Dan the man? Daniel? You have a question for Bernard?
Enggak, isteman adult kids kedua.
Very good.
Istamam adot gets adoa. Istamam adot gets kadoa. Istamam. Istamam. Okay. Jabuji. That's grandfather, right?
Yeah.
Jabuji. And actually now I'm drawing a blank on father.
If you're talking about your father, it would be Dusty.
Again, I'm sorry.
If you're talking about your father and
Right.
you're telling about him, it'd be Justy.
Jaki.
Justy.
Okay, let me put this together. Chucky Moment. Jabuji. Chuckin Moment Jabuji. Apoche Atoche. Jabofa Atoch. Atoch Gedanks. Chucky Moment Jabuji. Atoch Gedanks.
Is that where you work?
No, Chapofa. He was, I thought he asked me why I'm a farmer.
Oh,
Was that his question? Did I understand his question correctly?
Isteman, where?
What was your question again, Daniel?
Isteman adult kids kedua.
Istaman. Okay, I thought he said
Where?
Istaman. istomin.
That
Uh,
is then, it can mean where. Where do you work is what he's asking.
Right.
Istamin is where.
Jabofa. Oh, okay, this one's hard. Jabofa Astoka. Opelika. Dois.
Okay, what was your answer? You work in the garden?
Oh no, the the town. The town is Opelika is the town that
Uh-huh.
my farm is in. I cannot say it. So where my farm is, and I would actually like to know how to say this. Where my farm is different than the place that I teach farming. So I teach it in, I would like to say I farm in Opelika, but I teach farming in
Mhm.
Atlanta. And that's just too much. I can't, it's too much for me. So how would I say that? I farm in Opelika.
Is that the town name?
Right.
Okay. You could say Atlanta Indalova, and you'll say that name. And you could say Man Adut Gaidos.
Atlanta.
Is it outside of Atlanta?
It's actually, it's in Alabama.
Oh, okay.
So they're two different places, but I drive back and forth between them. So
Oh,
I
okay.
farm in Opelika, and then I teach farming in Opelika in Atlanta.
Oh, okay. You could say, what did you say, Osalega? Is that what you said?
Opelika, Opelako has been said a lot of different ways. Opelako, Opelako.
Opulako?
Mm-hmm.
You could say, Abulako. That's where you teach, right?
Aboka, Adoka. No, I teach in Atlanta. I farm
Okay.
in Opelika, right?
Okay, you could say, Opulega, Manadut Gaidon. You could
Opelega,
say, Opulega, Adut Gaidon.
Opelega,
Uh-huh. You
Adok,
could say Adut Gaidos.
Adokaidos.
Uh-huh. And you could say, Man, Atlanta, Mvhayv.
Mvhayv.
Uh-huh.
Opelega, Adokaidos.
Uh-huh.
Moment
And
Atlanta, Adokaidos.
yeah, you could say Mvhayv in Atlanta.
Mvhayv.
Yes.
Adok. Okay, we'll try it again. Opelega, Adokaidos. Moment Atlanta, Mvhayv.
Yeah, Mvhayv. And then you could say Duhavleidos. That means they'll know that you go back and forth from there to Atlanta, from your work to your teaching. When you say Duhavleidos, that means you go back and forth.
Okay. Yeah, that's quite a bit for me, but
Uh-huh. Ubahakpuman, Adut Gaidon, Man Atlanta, Mvhayv. And you could say Man Duhavleidos. That means like you say you work in the Ubahakpu and you go teach in Atlanta, and you could say you go back and forth. When you say Duhavleidos, that means you're going back and forth from Atlanta to that Mvskoke. Does that seem hard? That word?
Yeah, I'm taking notes.
Yeah. You say do ha dos. That means back and forth from one place to another. Do ha dos.
Could you repeat it one more time?
Do ha dos.
Dokhatairos.
Right. You said it good.
Hold
Do
on.
ha dos.
Dokhairos.
Do ha dos.
Dokhatairos.
Right. Mm-hmm.
Dokhatairos.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hasla. Har. Oh, Dokhakaidos.
Yeah.
Not
Do
Hathaidos.
ha.
Dokhakaidos.
I put it in the chat. I'm not sure if I spelled it right, but that's
Yeah.
what I was.
So it didn't have the R sound in it. The Hasla. It was Hakaidos.
Yeah.
Dokhakaidos. Dokhakaidos. Moro.
I think you probably could take the K out and put an R in there.
Oh, you would put an R. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Dokhatairos. You take the K out and put an R.
The second K, right?
Yeah, second one. When you did you write it down?
I'm trying to write it with the R.
Yeah, just take that KR and put a R in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there a second K? Does that belong in there, or is it just Aidos? Tothaidos.
It's Dokhatairos, just that one.
So is it like that? Tothaidos. It's always hard trying to spell these things.
It's just the way you spelt it before. But just put a R where your K is between the A and the V.
Oh, talk.
Yeah. Dokhatairos. You hear the thaw in front of R and V. That makes the thaw sound, R and the V.
Right.
So you need to take the K out. Dokhatairos.
Yeah, okay. Look at the last way I put it. Does that look about right?
Dokhatairos. Yes.
Okay, that's a new one.
Yeah. This means back and forth from one place to another.
Mhm.
So can you repeat your Mvskoke phrase to Dan the man? Where he asked, where do you work? Whenever you're ready, Bernard.
Atlanta Atochaidos. Moment. Well, that's it. Atlanta Atochaidos. Is that right?
Didn't you say you teach at Atlanta? You could say Ustapo Adot Gairos Mon Atlanta Man Mahayaidos. You could say Tuhalaidos. Did you get it? Okay. Bernard said he muted himself, but there's too much commotion in his background. So, Vanderman, did you understand what he was saying?
Yeah. Eh,
Okay. Vanderman, did I ask you what you did today or this morning?
not yet. Hate is I like is moment or maybe moment adot the ahis.
Inga. Shannon, are you there? Can you ask Bernard what he did with his day this morning? With his day or what he did this morning? If you're there.
Yikchin Nojadunga.
Did you hear?
Or
Oh,
Yikchin Nojadunks.
This is Notre Yanks Hithidos.
Maru Bernard, Maru Daniel.
Mano
Anybody
Mvhayv.
else? Is Raylin still out? You out, Raylin? Did you come back? Cassandra, are you out?
I'm here. Nagin Hombachanja.
Ooh, very good, very good.
Dakle moment or I take is a Dakle moment soccer baseball on my base egg McMuffin huge kudos.
Ititoa.
It my
Inga.
Very good, very good. Cassandra, how about you? Tell us about your day or your morning.
Let's see. Ona lecha okolin hei hanes mon omen tok folwa hitosi hopoyes. A fosqua nese hanes chayach. Let's see. Sohote pichka mochosidos. Moe hei come hanes. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I have a new sewing machine, so I'm going to try.
Oh, okay. Anybody want to ask Cassandra about her day? I'll ask her. Unna haya Hansa.
I didn't understand.
My question was, are you gonna make a dress?
He pokolin ponelecha Is that correct for a skirt?
Mm-hmm. Somebody you want to ask her about her?
Enga a boca oje sa hofira Istemer isti hofira chemahayangs. Chimahayanga.
Very good.
Can you translate that one? I only caught a portion of it. Am I
Okay,
going to?
what, okay. Istemer isti, who, okay?
Mhm.
Ahofira to
Oh, okay.
sew Chemahayanga taught you.
Who taught me? Chipozi Dalomha Faklaki Hitosi Hayang. Yeah, just my grandmother used to make really beautiful quilts.
Ah, himahes. Maro.
Mhm.
Okay. Daniel, you have any question for Cassandra?
Sakpi sigo Jayajes Mo and Hayada Giada. Hayada Giada.
What kind of, did you ask what kind of thread I need?
Oh, tried to say I needed a vest. And
Oh, you need a vest.
Can you make, or do you want to make?
Mongo, I don't know how to make a vest.
Yeah, Maru.
Cassandra, you might have could have had you a good business.
Right?
Hmm. Okay, Bernard, you have any questions for Cassandra? I forgot he muted himself. Okay, let's go with Raylene. You still gone? Raylene or Shannon? Y'all still? Okay, Ahadzamba, ask her something else.
Enga aboka hokola sata oje. Cassandra, chipozi haram hisagira hisaga.
Saga.
No, and Miss Carolyn, I'm trying to ask her, is her grandmother still alive? Can you say it that way?
Oh.
Is that what you understood I said, or did I say it wrong?
Well, hisaga means, like breathing. You could
Oh,
say,
okay.
yeah. Yeah,
Mongo Chipozi Taridos.
Enga, Mado.
Mado.
Chipozi Chemahaya Hithiros Che. It's just good that your grandmother taught you when she was there.
Mado.
Aboka Iran Ojego.
Mvhayv.
Noggin? I just said aboka iran ojego.
Oh, so you don't have no more?
Right. I don't have no more questions.
Oh, I thought you was gonna say you had one more. Okay. All right, let's see. Dan, tell us what you gonna do this afternoon.
Looks like everybody else besides me and Cassandra dropped out.
Oh, okay. Well, Cassandra, let's hear what you gonna do this afternoon.
Amogados, Onalecha Ayahanes. I don't know how to say it will take all day.
Oh. Hmm.
Toe Magitsitoa.
Like whatever you're gonna do, gonna take all day.
Mm-hmm.
See, I was trying to figure out, you know, what it is before, you know, busy. So busy. I know you say afternoon, it's Fatsalega, this afternoon. You could say Fatsalega dot Amidik Dongi, Amidik Donguro. Yeah, you could say Amidik Dongi Goro. Just like you're saying your afternoon, it's like you're not gonna have time or you're gonna be busy.
Hadam August?
Muzanita dot Amidik Dongi Goro. That's saying that this afternoon I won't have time or you're gonna be busy. Muzanita, that means afternoon. Fatsalega, Fatsalega is afternoon. And you could say Fatsalega dot Amadik Dangi Godo. You're saying you're gonna be busy or you're not gonna have time.
So would I say then, I just want to try and make sure I'm pronouncing it right.
Mhm.
So was that Gutsuneta dot Homete
Say
Dondi
Fatsalega.
Fachalega dot
That's this afternoon. Say Amadik Dangi Godo.
Hometik Dongi Jaro.
Right. Yeah. They're saying you're busy or you're not gonna have time.
And I tried to write it in the chat, what I think she said. I mean,
Yeah. Yeah, that means you're busy.
Mado.
You don't have time. You too. Very good. You said it very well too. All right. Aha Zamba. Jimmy or Zimirik Dangigo.
Just likes Mujaneta Anshogo Hasatij et Mijales.
Yeah. Did you understand what he said, Cassandra?
Did he say he was just gonna be around the house? Or did I
He
get that
said
wrong?
He was gonna clean his house.
Clean his house.
Yeah. All right. Did y'all have any more questions on anything?
Mongoros.
Inga.
Timahayat Madochi Kejes.
Maru, I sure appreciate it. I appreciate y'all too. Maru for participating, and Hadam Bosco will be back on the next class he has, so I'll see y'all till then. Y'all have a good afternoon and good week.
Yeah,
Hello.
Gijero Wajas, Maro.
Inga. Parang
Chihichigapis.
Maro.